Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyita and you're watching Mummy to Daddy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very common problem yet a very neglected issue. But trust me, we all want an easy, accessible solution to this problem. I'm talking about dark armpits. Yes, I know this is really, such an issue that we try to get over this. We try to lighten our underarms, make it moisturized and feel like celebrities, but somehow we don't get any easy solution for this. Okay, generally either it cost a lot or it is not that easy to do on everyday basis. So today I have a perfect miracle solution for this problem, and trust me, it is going to boost your confidence when you are going to dress up for any occasion. So today I will be reviewing my favorite Sanfe Underarm care kit, and it consists of 4 products as you can see, and I'm going to talk about these 4 products detailed in this video. For that, please stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, in this Sanfe Underarm care kit, we get this no mess razor, this detox exfoliator, this depigmentation serum, and this Antiperspirant deo cream. Okay, so I will be starting with the razor first. So this is the box of this no mist razor, and this contains set of 5 cute razors like this. Let me show you a single one. So the design of this is very handy, travel friendly, easy, accessible to use on everyday basis. Okay, it comes with a cap. Just open it like this and see, this is absolutely no mess really. So how to use this? This is very easy. Just clean the area of your armpit and slide it on the direction of your hair growth and just move it with your light hand. Okay, and you get the clean armpits like whatsoever. Okay, and as you can see that here is a comb type of thing. Okay, just look at this closely. So this actually helps you for no cut but precision cut of hairs without any rashes or irritation. Now moving on to next product, which is the Sanfe Detox exfoliator, and it is enriched with Dead Sea mud and Blue Sea kale, and this retails for 699 rupees for 50 gram of product. Okay, now let me show you the texture of this. See, this is a very pale blue color, and the fragrance of this is very soothing, guys. It gives you a very cooling sensation to your armpits, and it feels so refreshing. 2-in-1 formula of this Sanfe Detox exfoliator helps in deep cleansing and exfoliates dead skin. It is packed with phytonutrients and vitamins that supports the detoxification, nourishment, cell renewal and tighten pores. This is going to be the best friend for your armpits, and please do use this and let me know how you feel about this. This is not your regular exfoliator, guys. This is so good. Now let me tell you how to use this. After cleaning all your unwanted hair on your armpits, just clean your armpit with some normal water and take a generous amount of this exfoliator, massage it well for 30 to 60 seconds and let it dry completely, and then wash off with cold water. Now my favorite among this underarm care kit, which is this Sanfe Depigmentation Serum. This is really such a great product, guys. This has sea grape and green seaweed. This gives you the soothing effect. If you have some previous rashes, it will be gone after using this serum. And as you can see, this comes in a light sea green sort of a color, and this is packed with silver flakes. Okay, this serum helps in improving the skin tone and texture, and removes dark spots, and also maintain the pH balance. It also calms and soothes your armpit area skin, which is really great, guys. And let me show you the texture of this. This is little runny, see. Okay, so this is liquid sort of a texture. How you are going to use this? Just clean and pat dry your armpits completely dry, and then apply the serum like this. Just 2 drops of this serum will work, and let it massage for 20 minutes and absorb it well, and voila, you are good to go. Last but not the least of this kit, which is this Sanfe Antiperspirant Deo Cream, and it has sea aster and sea algae, and this retails for 449 rupees for 60 gram of product. Okay, and this has a very special formula, guys. This brightens your skin tone, and it has a very long lasting fragrance, and it also maintains your pH balance. It helps to reduce the sweat and controls the armpit odor, and definitely it is a really good to go deo cream because it has many benefits. So let me show you the texture of this, guys. See, I'm showing you. This is a gel cream sort of consistency, and it has a very refreshing fragrance to this. I absolutely love this aqua sort of fragrance, and this also gives a very cooling and refreshing effect to your armpits. And as you can see, this is really easy and quick absorbing. So when you are going and you are in rush, just need to apply it and you are good to go. Take just a very little amount, massage it, and you are good to go. So guys, in today's video I have given you a magic solution to all your problems of underarm, and this is kind of a depigmentation therapy. This kit helps to reduce sweat, controls odor, and this also gives you even, beautiful, spotless underarms, and definitely boost your confidence. So I'm sure, guys, this video is going to be too useful for you guys, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give the like, and I'll be sharing the link to purchase, and all these products are available on Sanfe official website, and I will be sharing the link in my description below. Please check that out, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it now, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. Till next time, be beautiful and stay happy. Bye bye.